When we're about to open it. Record when we're about to open it.
Yeah, that may go do my just on record the tree.
Anything you know, from December start.
Every day is Christmas.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Every day is Christmas.
Oh yeah.
Y'all open everything up, so that's why I said leave it be, and you're still coming down here like that's like.
No, I'm just coming down here to look at the tree, bro.
Mom already told me leave it alone. That's what I'm telling you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's Alright, Gabby is sleeping, guys. But anyways, Merry Christmas everybody. We don't know, I gotta see that video here till after Christmas, which I'm gonna try edit it tonight. I'm putting on a lie because I have Christmas tonight, so I'm not gonna edit it tonight. So we don't know, I get that video here till probably Tuesday the latest. So yeah, it's Christmas day. I get up my bed, you know, fix my look at ear, fix my edges, put on my pajamas. All the way we're matching pajamas. So we soon go open the gift them that mega vlog all of the time show no. Food I cook, we have Christmas dinner. Well, not here, but somewhere else. Like sleeping in her pajamas. I'm hungry. Alright guys, so Mary Shana go on the road panty shirt it. Probably sticks. Guys, it's going down in the kitchen. Potato salad. I guess that's juice. And oh, and them potato and turn it.
Let's go. Let's go, cause all of the nice food them gone already. The pot roast and the pork and everything gone.
Why well, never come down here? Oh, oxtail.
Still again.
No, oxtail. 2 pot of oxtail. Can't wait to eat. And curry goat. Curry goat, roast pork over there. Everything else gone.
The meat is something to season.
Anake.
The meat. Pineapple. The
Ham.
Sit there.
Pineapple.
Yeah.
It smell good, man. Jesus. Okay. Oh my God, it is so fucking cold. Gee. Rashan, hurry up and pull the door there. No, look there. This is ice. Pull the door fast. Cause I can't take your automatic door.
Believe me, change the settings for it. The settings are shit in here, so. It's not so cold, it's not so serious.
So I force myself to tremble.
It's not so serious, because it's really cool. Wait, my friend wants me to put us to this.
Just making spend all day. Out shopping, guys, on Christmas Day. Why you look like me? Why she look like me? That's so weird. What happened? Huh? What happened?
My visitors pass, like somebody to park the car was right here, so I never remember. So you see, one day I'm up on the road and I wipe my car and let me see, but somebody take it off of my car.
So what is that for?
From my apartment, if anybody parks with them, don't have to start parking the car.
It's Christmas.
Huh?
It's Christmas. I understand, but another day. Tomorrow, please. Can't mother that food spoil the moment, you know.
Hello, how are you? How you doing?
Mixed vegetable.
No, carrots and the green peas.
This peas and carrot. That's it.
No, not carrot.
It's the carrot
Sweet
and peas.
corn and green peas, sorry.
Together.
Yeah.
They sell that.
That is what me after.
I never see that before. Get that and get this. Oh, this is a cream style.
Also give me that one. Okay.
It's a sweet peas. Eh?
I was gonna give you one.
All right. Have a good day, okay?
How much are that you want?
One.
Okay.
It is.
How's holiday?
Let me replace this. Let me put it back over here. Sorry.
Oh, go ahead.
Why you lock the door?
I didn't lock it.
Yes, you did.
I put a lock on it?
I told you she was upstairs.
Sorry, Sean.
Let's get on.
Oh, but we forget to share the shoes here, right?
Alright. So Harper's not here. Alright. Alpha. Not present right now. Gabby.
I'm from Santa. Santa.
Okay, so this is Gabby's gift from Santa. Alright. Milo does in everything.
Give one gift to class.
Brittany, whose is this? Brittany, whose is this?
This is mine from Jessie. Alright, so let's see.
So what's in a letter on a box with yellow on this one?
I just went.
Huh?
She just opened hers. Somebody else's turn. Come bring it, open it.
Somebody box my hand and I
She pick it up.
Alright guys, let's see what she got.
Oh, you want to sit up? What are you buying?
Hey.
See where is Daddy to pick up the driveway though.
Alright.
Pick up the paper. Hey, that is a shocker. Who comes to this one? Let's see. Whoa! Something.
Just still come out, man. I love this.
So when y'all don't hear that?
I don't know, you know.
Where go was?
I shall be wearing it.
Well, we don't have that kind of lovely weather here in Jamaica.
Me a hot girl, when sun a shine, me can't wear that. Okay, so Raya.
I was at a charm.
Oh, the bag cute though, Raya.
Just the lock on the front.
See it?
That's for Mom.
Oh, thank you, Ma. I need this. Thank you, me, my dad.
Alright, little.
Santa, where's Santa here?
From your mom.
Cool.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, ah.
Ooh. Let me see. Oh, those are cute.
nice,
You
yeah.
gotta switch the camera. You gotta flip it. Flip it, Mom. Yeah, I need it.
Camera from Santa.
From Santa. What is it? My Santa again. Well, not take me now, come and go put on my neck. Go from here. This pretty.
That 8.
Come show them your bag, girl.
8. Kate Spade.
Put out the t-shirt. Oh, snap.
Alright.
I don't have no gift in my hand. Let me see. Show your mom.
Brittany.
Let me get
From Santa.
Oh, me again.
Yeah,
It's me again, Lauren.
Y'all wildin'.
From Santa.
So now on. Chill on 70 degrees.
Here's the phone back. Let's see.
Wes, when you touching down, Wes.
Who's that to me? No. Oh, no, we're gonna Santa give me.
You said, wait, what you say?
This is from Santa. I'm gonna peep first. Before I peep, if I feel like I want to show them. Oh.
Alright.
Oh my God.
What? What is that?
Hey, what's your money?
Jay, give this to Rashawn. In there. Rashawn, this
Oh, hold on. Chanel. Hold on.
Neiman Marcus.
Somebody is
Nice.
No, hold on, let me open it. But I record something in our record.
To the camera now.
Oh, it's a record. Okay, hold on. Alright, she want the spotlight for she know. Come, Chanel. Chanel. Oh, who's this from?
Auntie Shirley. Who's that? Ooh. What is that? Let's see. Ooh.
Nelly. You're gonna love it. Yeah. Thank you, Auntie Shirley.
Oh.
Who's next? Hold on.
My fave. You know, I didn't talk about it. No. No, I did not.
Is yours.
Oh. I must have the t-shirt. She said no.
Alright, Brittany.
Gabby, you think you're slicking out? Thank you. You know what it is. Merry Christmas.
Gabriella, why are you so sneaky?
Yeah.
I'm not think more and pull this right now.
Yeah. Really cool again.
Whose gift is getting pulled right now?
Mine.
Dang, it's your Christmas.
Which one of these books?
Your Christmas, Brittany.
No, not yet.
Yes, Jay. Alright.
Really, this is
Wait, there's so much stuff going on. Who's opening what?
I'm opening.
Alright, she's opening.
I'm on the floor.
Alright, hold on.
I'm on the floor. Gabby sneaky, you see? Thank you.
What did you get?
That's Dior?
Yeah. Yes.
Dior or door?
Yes, Jador. I know this smell like.
Yo.
Ah! Thank you.
What is that?
Oh shit!
Who gave you that?
What's that? You ready in your pocket for that?
Who gave it to you?
Letitia, you pay or who bought that? Oh, hat trick.
Come show what you get right.
iPad Air. Space.
Look at her. Uh-huh.
Definitely blame your auntie, okay?
Thank you, Grandma.
What's this?
Ranking Layla. So me get boots and all, so I never got there with the bleach up Uggs. Get up now with the bleach up.
Who's opening niggas now?
Rashawn.
Oh, sorry.
Definitely blame it on the
What's that?
auntie.
I'm working my way.
Why is so?
Oh, y'all just.
me see it.
Look to the inside. Look to the
I get
inside.
a double C.
Ray.
I got Gucci, Rashan.
I will buy you that.
Thank you, Grandma.
What you say? What you say?
Thank you, Gabby.
Let me open my gift from my cousin.
Mm-hmm.
You and Patrick.
Alright, so this is from Just You. Alright.
I got it.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Jessie.
Nice.
These are nice.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. I like you.
Boots. Nice.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
Layla, you know you have to say who it's from.
Is it your headphones?
I'm gonna do a petition next year that she don't get no gift.
What is it? What is it?
What is that?
Yes! Eight!
Woo! You got it like that?
Yeah, but got it like that.
Look, Anna K got it. Anna K got it. Alright, I'm just letting them know that you got the phone.
Anya.
Your auntie get you a lot of stuff too.
Who's the rose, right?
Mariah. Mariah, Anna K say her auntie get her a lot of stuff, so I say Layla get a lot of stuff too.
What's that?
What is that?
What is that?
My camera.
Oh, you got a Polaroid. Oh,
You get one like
snap.
your auntie,
Oh, snap.
We can't bother.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, Leticia, who is that white man that just walked up out there out of nowhere?
Thank you.
But boy, the camera give me a hard time.
Who gift is this?
Thank you, Patrick.
Oh, this is mommy. This is you from Jay.
Nothing.
From
We
Jay.
say?
Hey,
Yes.
Oh, nice. This is from who?
Okay,
Hold on, my fault. I'm getting a call. I have to tell Charles that I'm opening gifts. Wait, what's going on? What's going on?
Alright, Ma, this is your gift from Jay.
it's a thing them like them use,
This is wine glass that I don't drink.
Is that mine?
Okay, I'm on the floor. Another gift.
What's that you get no Britannia?
Gonna check.
I think Harper.
Okay.
Alright, so keep that
Put it under the
aside.
tree.
Guys, I'm on the floor.
Written on the floor.
On the floor.
Who that from?
Just You. This is from Just You.
What is that?
How we again?
What is that?
What is that?
Black opium.
Hey?
Mmm.
Someone be selecting that.
Smell nice.
What's in that?
I told
We have 2 perfumes so far.
Who that from?
There's no name.
This smells good.
Wow, Louis Vuitton Paris.
Oh my
Wow,
God,
that
I
is
like
crazy.
It smells dark.
Wow.
Bag.
The bag, yo, the gift bag itself was fire. Go ahead.
Okay, Auntie Charlotte is on the floor.
I ain't getting one.
Auntie Charlotte is on the floor.
Oh, you have to push it.
Gabby's over there. Oh, nice. I'ma zoom in. I'ma zoom in on the Louis V. Alright.
Dang! Camila.
Hello.
What's the face daughter? I'll call her back.
Come in.
Oh, this is tough. I appreciate it, Gabby.
Turn on the cellar. Lacoste.
Yeah.
That's Lacoste. See the L, the big L.
For what?
Javel, blame it on your auntie, yeah?
This is mine from mommy.
Okay, me have to video this. This is from who, Gabby?
From my mommy.
What's that?
Ooh, nice. Nice.
What's that?
Yeah, girl.
Alright, Mom, you want yours from me?
Okay, Auntie Shirley.
Wala, mo ko lang na naman matar na karlas.
Ooh, yes, it is. This is nice. Nope, it will fit.
Are you
No, don't worry about that. Just know it will fit.
Letitia not even in the camera.
Stop eating now, because you get enough. So stop eating.
Nah, mommy called you.
I saw you love eating now. When I eat, you eat for me. I will drop something. Drop that. Think of something. Think of money.
One beer, you want one brick again? Eh? You want brick you want again?
Nice.
Sure.
Ooh, nice.
What's up, clean?
Yeah, all the time, I'm see what going.
Dang, mom.
Nice.
This is
Oh, coach.
Yep.
Yeah. That's really nice.
To go with your shoes. Right.
your face big, say right now.
Wow.
Well, I'm not kidding.
Well, I'm there. Brick?
Huh? You don't see nothing? You don't see nothing now? Still? Alright, stay on the car, stay on the car. Don't open it yet, don't open it yet. You see now?
Nice, yep.
What's that, glasses?
Cute, yes.
Try that, let me see.
Shutter glasses is snowing now. Wow. Remember blonde hair?
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
They look nice. Wow.
Can I get a wow?
Wow.
You don't do the US?
Brittany. From Gabby to me. Like, I think I know what this is. Hey, Gabby, see me?
Oh, it's laying it.
What's that? Slippers?
Yes. Thanks, Gabby. Ooh, nice.
That's really nice.
Oh, that's like,
Wow.
Nice body.
That's nice.
Good things.
Let me see.
y'all rich. Yeah,
Oh,
y'all rich.
That's cute.
I need me a couple
Super
dollars.
cute. Soraya.
She not in the thing.
Okay, Lena. Okay, Rashawn from Auntie Shantanya'S. Brittany
But she said she can't see
from
no
Auntie
again.
Shantanya'S. Ooh!
It's cute though. Okay, I'm about that.
Kate Spade all day, every day.
Show me about that.
Weird.
What?
Okay. Okay.
What, bro?
Okay. Okay.
Alright, move from behind me. Move from behind me.
Thank you.
Move from behind me, bro.
Oh, they move so sneaky.
yeah.
When you do this?
Okay.
Thank you, Shantanya'S.
Oh my God, I love it
Look at
so
the hot girl there.
much.
Talk to me now.
Jesus. Talk to me.
Talk to me. Talk to me, guys.
Talk to me now.
Talk to me.
There's the paper by here. You're not get Brittany. You're not just.
Oh, Russia.
No, but up on the camera. The camera there. My good man.
Yeah. So why you stop yours?
That's gonna wow.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Come to money, me know.
You love money. Which way you gone?
Where's Dad? Dad just skedaddled.
Eh? Yep. This is from Auntie Shantanya'S.
What is that?
Ooh, Uggs. Another one from Auntie Shantanya'S.
Brittany.
Thank you, Anna Shantanya'S.
Thank you. I love this.
Yo, what do you get from Letitia then? Gotta go see it.
So funny.
Oh, Brittany, perfect.
And next one, no man, I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry at this point.
Of course they all do.
From Russian. Oh, this is sneaky. What about this?
What are you looking for?
Anyways, let's see what's in here. This feel like
What you
perfume.
get me so heavy, sir? That they not even want me to get from you. What you get me? Huh?
What you get? Let me see.
Thank you. I love it, is it? Listen, it's a Versace perfume. The Versace Diamond Blue.
Daddy's picking up the garbage, quick! I don't know where he at. Daddy's picking up the garbage. What's that, Ryan?
Yeah. What is no?
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. What that for?
Me?
Montclair.
Montclair. Yeah.
Expensive.
Yeah. Wait, no, you're blocking the thing. Come and show the logo, the man. It's not from Chinatown.
Auntie Shantanya'S from Russian.
Ma, you got garbage bags in the car?
Auntie Shantanya'S is on the floor.
No, but I'm the police.
Ooh, why this look like another work shoe? Nice.
Nah, those are actually fire.
Yeah, them bad. Alright, one more from
Gabby.
Alright.
Thank you, Gabby.
This smell good here?
Anna, turn on the axle for me now.
Gabby, hold on.
When I rush them, I'll help me give.
So you want to do it?
No, I'm telling you.
Let me see it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ooh.
Real diamonds, okay?
Just
Oh wow, this is so nice. Thank you.
I'm going to take back half or something. I'm going to take back half or thing.
Thank you. Thank you, Rashawn.
Alright, I'm on the floor. This is from Gabby. you.
Shabab, you match your slippers.
This is mine from the future. Thank you.
Mama see it? Yeah, them look pretty.
Thank you.
Alright, this is from Gabby. I'm on the floor. I'm on the floor right now.
What?
This is a robe.
What does that mean?
Thank you, Gabby.
What's your shirt then?
No, this is this is enough right now. Hey, Gwen. It's a robe.
It's a normal room.
No.
Yes, Rashan.
Mine from Santa.
And a slipper. Oh, nice.
What does that mean? Is that a metaphor? Metaphor? I'm gonna go grab it myself.
Oh,
Right?
nice. Come look at that. Watch out the camera
I'm gonna let
then.
them do what they do.
Look at this. I didn't.
That's cute.
Oh, one more from Auntie Shirley.
Huh? The coast?
No, okay.
They might just come to say.
Lacoste. Alright. Look like clothes.
Oh, pros.
Alright.
Ooh, this is cute. Thank you, Auntie Shirley.
I think now.
Milo.
Right?
Thank you.
I'm looking. Oh, there's a white box. It's closed.
Oh, let me see. Open it. Open the box. Oh, this is from Auntie's.
Two. A bluey card. I needed that because I have one at the bluey house at my mom's house. I already bluey house? Yes.
That, John.
Wait, is this the biggest house in the whole world?
Boy.
Wow. It's so big.
You like it, John?
Yeah, it's so big. They have like the bluey house, the bluey room, the bedroom, the grown-up bedroom, the stairs, the living room, the kitchen. I mean the table and the table.
Gift from my grandma.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Oh, lick me.
Milo, please don't spoil the moment. Yes, I did. And this was,
I'm
listen,
not using none of these boxes.
listen, this was out of my comfort zone because I don't know how to express myself. I'm not that type of person. So,
The girl write a whole essay like a sexy paper.
anyways, that's a wrap, guys. You're welcome. So, that's a wrap.
Alright, can I get a knife? Oh, never mind.
This is our What's that? Ooh.
Oh, Fiji. That's nice.
That's nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's nice.
Shut up. What's this? Socks? Y'all made me open that for socks?
Come on, man.
Yo, they made me open all that for socks. Nah, there's something in there. Dang, I can't feel it.
There's something.
Bro, I had 3 gifts. Let me have my shine.
Alright, it's fucks.
I'll take I'll Say I swear to God. Say you swear to God.
What's that?
Say you swear to God.
Come now, where you see? We want to know.
It's hot. Where's that? Yo, imagine 6-way car.
Where's that?
Imagine. I'll be crying. That'll be dead funny. I'm not mad.
Well, I mean, that can't fit in a car. That's what so.
Mom, what is that? You know? Can I look outside? Is it outside there? From the tractor trailer? Wait, it's outside for real?
Open the door, Jay. It's cold. Go.
Nah, it's too cold. I don't wanna. Cause I'm a.
Jay, come on.
Oh god. Say yes for the God.
Grand finale, guys.
Brand new thing. Brand new thing. You know what I'm saying? Let's go inside. It's cold. That's tough. So that's why you was telling me do all of that.
I live here. What are you talking about? What you talking about? Shut up. I come this day.
Yeah, my Instagram.
You're not the panic, man. I know. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Lance, have you got a shot to do it?
Lance, I want this. I want you. It's like boom. Come on, take a shot.
Alright, this look like me. I forgot to record with my phone.
I'm going to push you today. You must forget what happened tonight.
I'm finna film what I got.
Mama shot
I have 4 pictures.
Oh no, what are you doing?
PlayStation?
Casamigos. That
Like
nice.
your PlayStation?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, say this friend.
Shot people, but then
What's on the shot?
Me want Casamigos. Yeah, take the game. You don't want a shot? Come here at Christmas. Give me a shot there. The Casamigos.
Or Hennessy. Why when I'm aggressive? You know this is a family.
She's aggressive.
Latisha.
Alright, ready? While I'm staying. Alright, you can stay this.
Yeah, ready for your shots that we waited for 5 hours ago?
Merry Christmas. Everyone that's here, thank you for something.
It never stops. It never stops. It never stops. It never stops. Another one.
This is so thoughtful. Oh wow, I love these. How are they? This is nice. Which one is so
So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. So open gifts. and we had Christmas dinner. I didn't get to video much at the Christmas dinner, but basically what we did was eat, drink, laugh, chat, whatever, take shots, and then we go home. I just never get to video the food and showing when we eat and all of that, but there was a lot of food. That was I showing earlier in the vlog with the 2 pot of oxtail and the ribs and the ham. That's nothing compared to what was there. There was curry goat, muscle pork shoulder, mac and cheese, vegetable, rice and peas, white rice, some other pork, ribs, and listen, a whole heap of things. Me probably can't remember off of the top of my head now and whatever, but there was a lot of food. Also sorrel, liquor, all of that. So yeah, that was basically it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed your holidays. I enjoyed mine with my family. My skin look cleaning. But yeah, I enjoyed my holiday with my family and all of that. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys in another vlog. Them not biggie.
Evil, you for them could a group up on us. Glock 17 that chip up like goof.